Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
White versus brown, which eggs better to buy? When we buy eggs, we often wonder whether to choose white eggs or brown eggs. However, any of us don't know why these two kinds of eggs have a different color. What's more, there's often a difference in price between the two. Therefore, we decided to show you which eggs you should buy and why. The difference is in the chicken. The different color of the eggs is associated with the breed of chicken. Hence, the white feathered chickens lay white eggs, and reddish-brown feathered chickens with red earlobes lay brown eggs. The color is determined by the chicken. Are brown eggs better than white eggs? You should know that the color doesn't indicate the quality. Moreover, there is no difference between white and brown eggs in their taste and nutrition. The same applies to their shells, which have the same thickness. If you notice some difference is the eggshell, it is due to the age of the chicken and not due to the color of the egg. Younger chickens tend to lay eggs with harder shells, while older chicken lay eggs with thinner shells. Therefore, besides the hue, these two kinds of eggs do not differ. Why are brown eggs often more expensive? The price of the eggs can be quite misleading, and thus many people think that due to the fact that brown eggs are more expensive, they must be healthier. However, this is not the case. In fact, the highest price comes because the reddish feathered chickens are larger and they require more feed. Important tips: it's worth pointing out that chicken who were home raised are likely to produce brown eggs. Moreover, due to the feed chicken were given, the brown eggs are usually tastier and have a more vibrant yolk. The yolk can also show you whether it comes from a healthy chicken or not. You can learn how to check it here. Now, when you know more about eggs, you should also know that they are very healthy and good to be consumed.